What's up, guys? Joe Odyssey Off-Road here. It's a little loud right now. Toyota just unveiled the Trailhunter concept vehicle. This is a 2022 Tundra. You're going to be able to order a Tundra from the factory, from Toyota, with all of these Trailhunter overland goodies right from the factory. No longer are you going to have to get a Tundra and then take it to aftermarket suppliers to get your needs fulfilled. You're going to be able to order this right from Toyota. They got racks, tents, suspensions, everything pretty much, wheels, all kinds of goodies. See if we can get around to the front. Here's quite a crowd. And get the front bumper they got rear bumper design. Here we got the front bumper, light mounts. He says Trailhunter right in it. Pretty cool. Right from the factory. You can order it with all these accessories there on the vehicle. So if somebody wants to order a vehicle, worries about warranty and all of that, you can just order the stuff right from Toyota. They build it for you. Comes shipped to the dealer this way, and all covered on the factory warranty. All right, guys. See if we get around to the back, get that rear bumper. All right, here you can see the rear bumper with the Trailhunter badging on it. A rack. Again, these are in-house builds from Toyota. Toyota bumpers, Toyota racks, Toyota everything. Using Rigid lights. They've partnered with Rigid for a while on TRD Pros. Looks like they'll be doing that again here with this concept. This is pretty big news. Toyota's booth this year was gigantic. They took over the old Ford space at SEMA. Got a lot of vehicles here. More coverage on my channel. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you on the next one.